Yo, Mr. Toimup. As you can see, the beard is gone, and not because I wanted to, but because for some dumb reason I decided to put this as a donation goal in my birthday stream, and here's what happened. Thank you for the €10 donation, so... Fuck! So... How are you doing, guys? How's your life going? Me? Oh, I'm super good, yeah. Yeah. Super happy to get rid of this beard. What's up? I'm here to play Counter-Strike and fuck bitches. Anyways, the title of this video is true. When I came back to YouTube, I didn't really know what I was doing. I was just, experimenting with things, trying out new things that were interesting to me, and I was okay with that. Now, a couple of months later, I decided that I'm gonna continue making quality tutorials on this channel. Since there are so many of you who have subscribed to this channel to see tutorials, and I do believe I'm quite good at making tutorials. It's one of my biggest strengths in content creation. It only makes sense to me to continue on that road. This sounds like a win-win situation to me because you get tutorials, which you first subscribed for, and I get to play on my strengths and hopefully one day make enough on this channel so I could quit my actual job. Making tutorials is not my biggest passion, but I do think it's a really good choice to have this channel as a safety net and not destroy this channel and its potential growth by experimenting with a bunch of different content styles. But the experimentation that you've been seeing on this channel for the last couple of months is gonna continue. Not on this channel, but on my second YouTube channel. Well, technically it's the first channel since it was my very first YouTube account I created, and it used to be my main account for a long time. But anyways, my second channel was a Counter-Strike related channel that has been now dead for over a year now, with 18,000 subscribers waiting patiently for me to upload new content. Thanks to this switch that I'm currently making, I get the freedom to explore different things that I want to explore, and I don't have to worry about the results. At the same time, I can have this channel as a safety net where I can upload consistent type of content and hopefully have a steady growth. If you are excited about the upcoming content creation tutorials on this channel, then leave a like on this video. If you want to see the new stuff that we've done in the past couple of months on this channel, then head over to the second channel. The link is of course down in the description. And that's it for today. I'm super happy to be continuing doing tutorials again. It's gonna be a little bit more chill this time, and I will see you in the next one. GG.